Hi everyone, welcome to the Frantic Seamstress. On today's building tutorial, we will be making a flickering fire for your dollhouse or photo box. For this project, you will need a glue gun, paper scissors, yellow and orange tissue paper, and battery-operated LED lights with the flickering light option. Cut approximately 12 orange flames 3.5 inches long by 2 inches wide, and 8 yellow flames 2.5 inches tall by 1.5 inches wide. The exact number of flames that you need will depend on how many candles you're using and how full you like your fire to be. My fireplace is rather large, so I'm going to use 2 candles. Start by using some hot glue and gluing the 2 candles together on one side. Take 1 orange flame and crumple it, starting at the bottom and moving towards the top. Glue the flame to the front side of the candle. Continue to glue orange flames to the front and back of your fireplace. Overlap them slightly so you do not see any of the candle. Add flames to the ends as well. This time, however, glue them slightly lower than the rest of the flames. Do this on both sides of the candle until the entire base is covered. Trim off the extra paper that extends past the bottom. Fold the yellow flames the same way that you did the orange ones, this time making them tighter and more narrow. Place 3 yellow flames evenly distributed across the front and the back. Twist the top of the flames to bring them into a shape that you like. And that's it, you're done. Now you have a gorgeous new accessory for your photo box and some nighttime photos.